All right, good evening, team. Today is August 15, 2022. What happened today? We had a huge gap up and something drove the market to just drive up. So let's start with Disney on the 1 day. So Disney has a good trend going after earnings. And you can see there that they're just on a bull run since July 15, maybe, okay? So we look at them and we say, okay, July 15th, when you start driving up, we're looking at about a 35% increase in Disney. Really huge, really huge. Okay, so Oxy, one of the stocks I've been watching really close because of Warren. Warren just bought millions and millions of shares in Oxy because he knows what they're going to be able to do in the next 5 years. But Oxy is, in my opinion, in a downtrend. So they started here, they passed the midpoint, and now they're headed towards the bottom of this regression channel. So keep an eye on Oxy if you're playing it. I'm playing it with a few folks in my trading team, but just keep an eye out. My line here, let me show you this orange line, is the 5-day moving average. Anything that goes above the 5-day moving average is considered bullish. When it goes under, it's considered bearish. So you can see, let me open this up a little bit. You can see that Oxy has fallen under the 5-day. Or started going down. So one sign there that we are going bearish. So let's go over to Apple. Apple just been thunder. Look at that. It just has no feelings for anybody, and it's just on a roll. So good deal for Apple. Apple is actually, if I look at the 5-day moving average and look at the first candle close above, and I take it till today, we're looking at a 30% move there. So very good. If you're in Apple, if you've been in Apple for a while, this is a good time to consider taking profits. And I'll show you why in a minute. I think the market might be turning on us, okay? Amazon. Amazon is caught in a rectangle here on the daily. If you can see that, it can't get out of this rectangle. So I don't know what's going on with Amazon, but it definitely looks like it needs some help, but definitely not going up or down right now. Sitting between 144 and 138. So keep an eye on Amazon if you're playing Amazon. It is in a rectangle. My thoughts are it's probably going to go down. So keep an eye on it. Then we got Microsoft. Microsoft is on a bull run, just like Apple. Then we have Tesla. Tesla is in a good bull run. It pulled back. Now it's headed back up. Now I've got some thoughts on Tesla here I want to share with you guys. On the monthly, okay, Tesla is actually in a head and shoulders. So if Tesla continues this pattern, okay, it might end up going down more. I don't know how much more, but this is the monthly. But again, news changes everything, and Tesla is one of the stocks that you don't want to short. Tesla always has fans and followers, so be careful if you want to try to short this. But anyways, we'll go over to Google. Google is still in that rectangle. Oops. Nope. It actually got out. Look at that. Huh? Google is making a statement here and it's trying to grow. Now, the problem here is that Google, let me draw a little line here for you guys. Google is at the same resistance as May 4th. Okay. So what happened there? Let's draw this out. There you go. May 4th. This was a resistance. And oops. Sorry about that. Then we have the same thing going on here. So will Google continue up or will it continue down? My bet is that's where it's going to go. So if you're playing Google, keep an eye out on that. And we'll see what's going on. Let me go back to Tesla on the 1 hour. And I want to show you guys something I noticed today. And I posted this on Stock Twits. I posted this on Twitter. On the 1 hour. I like the 1 hour because it gives me 8 different chances of what the stock is going to do. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should say 7, not 8. We started at 9:30. So we went up and then we went across and then we had a couple of reversal hammers here. So if you're not familiar with reversal hammers, that's this buddy right there and then that buddy right there. Go look them up on Google. If not, go to our website and we'll help you out, bulltrading.com. But Tesla is showing a reversal. Ouch. So be careful with that. NDQ, kind of the same thing. You see that candle in the 1 hour. SPX. I want to show you something on SPX on the daily. I don't think it's going to happen, but I want to show it to you anyways. So we have an inverted head and shoulders. Okay. And now in a normal market time, I would think that SPX would actually get to that point. So my thoughts here are if SPX breaks the trend line, we could see 4,700. Okay. So we're talking about this line here. So SPX has been on a bullish run. Okay. For a little while here. Not bad. Look at that. So if you play options, you know, 3,700 to 4,200. It's a $500 move. Very nice on a call. So anyways, head and shoulders, we take the top of the head to around the neckline and reproduce it after the breakout. And we think we might go to about 4,700 here. Okay. So keep an eye out for that. I doubt we'll break this. If we break it, I will be a new student of a volatile market when the market is going through a recession, going through inflation, and all that good stuff. So keep an eye out for that. So what's going on with the entire market? Well, don't forget that we are still in a bad consumer price index. Look at that. I mean, no one ever sees the actual graph because the news doesn't show this. It show you a number. But look at that. So highest in a long time, right? You can go back to 2000. We are super high there. So make sure that you guys are careful with your trades. Do not think that it's normal. My moving average is moving. Keep an eye on it consistently, okay? If not, just stay out. Just wait a while, okay? This market is going to continue to give us different variables, and it's going to change, okay? So keep an eye out for that. So again, I am your coach, Coach Avalos. And if you have any questions, I am happy to answer them. Just make sure you guys leave a comment below, DM me, and if you want, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for 30 days free trading in my chat room. You get to get a 1-month deal with traders who do this every day, and you will get training on how to enter and exit stocks with very, very limited risk. Okay, so don't forget, if you guys want 30 days for free, click on the link below. And if you found this to be of any value, do me a favor and click the like button and subscribe and share it with a friend. If you have anybody who's trying to learn how to trade, then send me a DM and I will give you guys a course I have. I'm selling the course, but you will get it for free if you send a friend. So don't forget, if you guys want to get a little bit of guidance and education on entering and exiting, send me a DM. I hope this helps, and I hope that you guys have a green day tomorrow. We'll be in touch soon. Will be another video tomorrow night.